Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I like to extend the warmest welcome. So I'm back out here at the big field. I got a new phone actually. This is the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. And so y'all let me know if y'all see a difference in the video. But we're out here with this guy. This is the DeeRC F16. And this guy has been modified. You guys see I cut a little hole there. It has a little vent on the bottom now, and I converted it to an EDF. I was thinking about giving it a clear canopy, but not yet. I was just anxious to come out here and see if it actually flies with this EDF, the world's first 1S EDF, because this is still a 1S. It still has all of the other electronics except for this EDF. I just added this EDF off of Amazon. It's a 1S. I forget which RPM it is, but it does boast 50 grams of thrust. I was hoping that that's enough to get this guy going, but it's probably going to be a challenge because of the fact that in the software they got that high alpha at beginning for the beginner situation going on with it. But let's get it in here and see what happens. And it's in the air. Not the fastest thing, but it is flying. A 1S EDF. Now I do plan to bring this over to a brushless model. Swap it out and put a brushless motor in there. Just trying to work out the particulars. I think I might up it to maybe 2S or maybe just 1S. Let me know in the comments if y'all want this to be a 1S EDF flyer, brushless. But being brushed is working out for it. Let's bring it landing. So the DeeRC Micro F16 converted into a little EDF. I threw an EDF motor on the back of there. It is brushed still, so we still have the same internal electronics except for that motor there. And I chopped off the back engine cover there, the nozzle that goes right there, because the nozzle was too skinny. I felt like that was going to stop the airflow and not let me get enough airflow coming out of there to keep this little guy up in the air. But it flies. Converted to EDF, brushless coming up next. Y'all smash the like button, show your support. Let me know in the comments if you like this idea of it being a 1S EDF, and if I should make the brushless one 1S or 2S. I think 2S will be great. A lot of power for this little guy, but to keep it light, I think I might be favoring going into having this a brushless 1S flyer, and it'll be unique too. I don't think I saw anybody with a brushless EDF flyer that's 1S. Thanks for watching.